Want to snag that must-have item now and spread the cost? Let's dive into how you can use Clearpay to pay in pretty much any store, both online and in person. First up, online shopping. Make sure you've got the Clearpay app downloaded and you're logged in. Browse your favorite online store as usual and add items to your cart. When you reach the checkout page, look for the Clearpay option among the payment methods. It's usually near credit cards and PayPal. Select Clearpay, and you'll be redirected to the Clearpay website or app to complete your purchase. You'll see a breakdown of your payment schedule. €1 typically for installments, paid every 2 weeks. Confirm your payment method within Clearpay, and you're good to go. The store will process your order and you'll get a confirmation email. Now, for in-store purchases using Clearpay, it's even slicker. Open the Clearpay app and tap the card tab. This generates a virtual Clearpay card you can add to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay. Follow the prompts to add the Clearpay card. It works just like a regular debit or credit card within your digital wallet. At the checkout in the physical store, simply use your phone to pay with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Selecting your Clearpay card, the purchase will then be split into 4 payments, just like online. Keep track of all your Clearpay purchases and payment schedules within the app under My Orders. This helps you stay organized and avoid late fees, and that's it. You're now a Clearpay pro, ready to shop smart and spread the cost.